Hello, good morning. I am Kamruddin. I am a motivational speaker, motivational author, and international table tennis player. I have written 8 motivational books, some fictions and some non-fictions. I have posted videos about motivation, shero shairi, English and Urdu language, and table tennis. Attitude is very important in life, especially attitude of gratitude and attitude of forgiveness is very important for changing the way of life, way of thinking of the persons. There was a hospital in Hawaii. Atmosphere of the hospital was very negative. People were fighting among each other. There was grudge, animosity, and hatred among people. Atmosphere was so bad in this mental asylum. People were not getting cured. There was lot of resentment in the atmosphere of the hospital. Then there came a doctor. His name was Hugh Lane. He noticed the atmosphere. He decided to change it. If you change the way you look at the things you look at begin to change. This is what happened. He decided to change the atmosphere of the hospital. He decided to introduce a set of 4 affirmations or prayers. And because of this, there was a lot of change in the atmosphere of the hospital and people started getting cured. And the improvement was so drastic that the patients reduced to minimum and the hospital had to be closed. It was so effective. So he started there Ho'oponopono technique. And because of this, there was a lot of forgiveness, love among everybody, and the atmosphere was very much changed. Dr. Hugh Lane started set of 4 prayers for changing the atmosphere of the hospital. The first was, everybody has to say, I am sorry. When you say sincerely, I am sorry, there is a lot of change in the atmosphere. You realize your faults. You say sorry even if it's not your fault, even if it is others' fault. So if you say sorry, it creates a great atmosphere. The next statement was, please forgive me. If you say sorry, you realize you are sorry and you seek forgiveness, you are willing to be pardoned, then there is a lot of change in the atmosphere and there is improvement in the situation. The third statement was, thank you. You realized your mistakes, you said sorry, you asked for forgiveness, and then you felt gratitude of God. You say thank you. Say thanks to God that He has created such a wonderful atmosphere. Say thanks to the persons involved. So this creates a great atmosphere of love. And then you say the 4th sentence, I love you. Love has a great force, especially when it is unconditional love. When you seek love, when you give love, a great wonderful atmosphere is created. So he introduced this fourth statement. So because of these prayers, these statements, atmosphere of the hospital changed a lot, and people started getting cured, and the hospital had to be closed. Its effect is great if it is recited many times. Everybody was asked to state these sentences 10 to 108 times. Joe Vitale recommended that for effective results, these prayers should be recited 108 times. So this is important for forgiveness and creating love and improving atmosphere. Thank you for watching this and other videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Please press bell button and thumbs up so that you do not miss my subsequent videos. If you want to ask something, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be glad to respond. Thank you very much.